Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So let's have a look at W token or the wormhole coin. This is one of the very interesting coin that came out back in 2024. As you can see April, and the token did not have that much good launch. As you can see right after launching it actually went down, and still it is in the downtrend. And looking at the demand of the token itself, it's just not there. As you can see here, it launched, it had a massive market cap of 1 billion or over 1 billion, and after that it has been actually struggling to even keep up above $200 or $250, as you can see here. $250 million, I'm sorry. So anyways, looking at the token itself, this is a pretty big project if you look at it. So it is basically solving the issue of interoperability across various chains that include Solana to Ethereum and other things. Now, what does Wormhole offers? It offers cross-chain messaging, asset transfers, developer tools as well. So anyone can actually use Wormhole's TypeScript SDK and Wormhole scan and various things and can actually implement it. So that's pretty good. Now, a wormhole is not a blockchain. It is just it acts as a communication layer that connects different blockchains, enabling them to interact without being a blockchain itself. So this is a bit different from Exceler, I believe, or something like that, which is big on interoperability. And okay, so yeah, Excel, that is a layer 1, but this one is not layer 1. Now, what are the use cases? It is basically used as a cross-chain exchange, cross-chain governance, and cross-chain game. So it does have a lot of utilities. So that's, I would say, pretty good. Now, if we look at the recent news from the Wormhole token or the Wormhole team, they actually had BlackRock and Securitize develop new basically build or the brittle share class on a Solana network with a wormhole interoperability. This was a massive one. And another thing that they have going on that just happened on June 26th, as you can see here, Ripple expands multi-chain interoperability infrastructure with wormhole integration. Again, a massive W, I would say, for the wormhole in general. Again, another massive W would be this one. Polygon expands Pol multi-chain with wormhole entity, another massive one. And they also had Sol goes natively multi-chain with wormhole entity. So again, a massive W for the project itself, I would say, in general at least. Now, coming to the token itself, it is a governance based token, so it doesn't have any other utility beside that. Now, looking at the W token or the W coin itself, there was a big news. So the Coinbase has finally added Wormhole or the W coin to their roadmap, so it should come out soon, or most likely in 1 week or in 1 or 2 days. It is going to be on the Solana network, as you can see here. Now, the main utility of this coin is to be staked and used for the governance. As you can see here, these are the different governance proposals that they have going on, and the utility of the token can also be increased with the governance as well. But as of now, around 476 million tokens are staked. And if you look at the circulating supply, it's over 4.6 billion, so it's not that much. The staking is not that much. Again, what users can do with the governance are these: adding and removing blockchain connections to the wormhole, upgrading the smart contracts, adjusting fees, expanding or adding new parties, adjusting rate limits, token utility, and the design. Those can be changed as well. Now, if we look at the distribution of the token, 5.1% goes to the Guardian, 17% to the community and launch. We have 31% to the ecosystem and incubations. We have 12% to the core contributors. We have 11.6% to the strategic network participants. We have 23.3% to the foundation treasury. And the token as of now has a max supply of 10 billion, and I think it can also be changed through the community, or through the governance, if they decide to do so. Now, if we just look at the token vesting schedule, this is how it looks like. Okay, so if you look here, by month 56, the whole supply will be in the circulation around 10 billion. And if you look here, as of now, only around like 4.6. So there is still around 5 billion supply that has yet to come out, and this is how it actually looks like. So by 2028, the total supply will be, I believe, in the circulation or something like that, but this only shows some of the remaining supply. So again, I think in the future the token is going to have a massive sell pressure. Even if you look here, the token has started to go down. There was a pretty good pump for the hype of the Coinbase listings, but it did not last it much. So even if there was a big announcement from the for the Ripple partnership, and it did actually, the token actually went from 5 cent, but it actually went down from 7 cent as well. So there are just a lot of sellers in the market, and there are just many tokens that are being given in the rewards, and most of them are being sold in the market. So overall, that's not good. Again, if they make some changes, or if there is any big partnerships, the token does go up, that is given. But I think this coin will most likely go down, and if we look at the demand of the token itself, it's just not there. So as of now, the demand of the token is near its all-time low, which is around 200. Its all-time low demand was around 232 million, but as of now it's around 290 million. So I think we can expect more crash from the price itself. And even if you look at the price, although the market cap is nowhere near its all-time low, but the price is just hitting a new all-time low. So I think that has to do with the supply increase, and the supply, there are still around 5 billion tokens that have yet to come out. So I think you got the idea. And if you look at the fully diluted valuation, it's over $624 million. So even if the total circular supply comes out, and if the price wants to remain same around 6.2 cent, it actually needs over 600 million market cap, which is a massive one. Although it has had actually hit that exact same peak in the past, but again, it doesn't seem like that there is a much demand for the coin itself. I think the token in the past has performed really well. As you can see here, back in December when the overall market was going up, token actually ended up hitting 1 billion market cap, which is a lot, but I don't think that it is going to hit 1 billion anytime soon. Of course, it can actually hit 1 billion if there is a big demand for it, but as of now, in a market like this, I just don't think that it is possible. It is possible for WCoin to hit 1 billion market cap as of now. If the market improves, there is a high chance that the market cap will actually end up hitting 1 billion. But again, the price won't go up that much because of this increase in the supply. So even if the market cap goes up, I don't think that the price will go up. So even let's just say that the token wants to hit $1. So as of now, it needs over 4.6 billion market cap, which is just not, I think, ideal as of now for this coin. Anyways, we'll have to see what happens. But if you're planning to buy this coin, this is a very dangerous coin to get into. But again, if they do announce some kind of partnership, it does tend to go up, as you can see here. So if there are any news, or if there are any expected you can say updates, the token will most likely go up. But as of now, it doesn't seem like that seems to be the case. So I think as of now, the token can actually go as low as 230 million. That means it will lose like it will lose like 50 million market cap if that happens. But there also seems to be the pretty good demand zone for the coin itself. So if it does go as low as 232 million, it will most likely pump right back up. So anyway, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.